A ratchet holiday. Let's fucking go. What the fuck? It's actually Steve. Unfortunately, I do not take no ass. I'm sorry. Pisces season!
Chad, I was up in there sharking for real, and Riley saw that shit.
I wasn't exposing it.
And then she didn't expose me, but I know Riley saw it when she was sitting on the balcony, and she was like a middle finger.
Oh,
you saw it. Because I was on this other bad bitch named, oh my god.
Oh, don't name them, don't name them.
I didn't. Fuck that. You can flip the camera.
I can, bro. Fuck you, bitch.
Okay, well, we're here.
Ratchet holiday. Ratchet holiday. Hey, go that way, bitch.
Get out the way.
Yeah, go on the other side. Get out the fucking other side, man.
Alright. Get out the street.
Stay on the streets.
Look at this shit. Oh, here's a bicycle.
Let's fucking go! Oh shit, wait. Let's see. Acting like I can't hold it like this and walk.
What you doing? Yeah. We gotta get you another mini tripod off a TV like me.
I have one.
Put that shit in your hip, pull that motherfucker up, pop that bitch.
Pop that thing.
What song is that? That's the baby song.
The baby.
That nigga got cancer.
He did. Alright. Tell Nick to shut the fuck up. Hey guys! Hey Chad! A ratchet holiday! Let's fucking go!
Ratchet holiday out here on the strip.
Yup, Sarsky. Biddies in the. I know, y'all ain't used to us being outside, bro.
No, they're not used to us looking like this.
Exactly, being outside.
Yeah, definitely. Ratchet doing her best not to get hit by a car.
Yeah. I'll hold it up. Never gonna get it.
Show them the titties. Yeah, titties are out tonight, Chad.
I'm just kidding. Titties are in. I was at a gala. I was not at a gala. I made that shit up.
You wasn't what?
I was at a gala. I was at a gala, but I wasn't wearing this, low-key. At a gala. I'm tired of walking. They are out tonight? Yeah, them dogs are out. Actually, this is the one time my feet are out. Little fit? I am bitch. Move, bitch. Oh, did you?
Oh, shit. Keep on, walk.
Fuck, yeah. But hopefully.
Are you on the guest list?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are good.
Oh, okay, bet.
Yeah.
So 3-0.
Appreciate it.
God damn. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I should have brought my tripod. Oh, fuck. I should have brought smaller heels. God damn. My feet hurt. Nothing. I said I should have. Jesus Christ, do any of these motherfuckers work? God damn.
Any what work?
Of these fucking escalators. Yes, this one does. Bro, he's struggling to walk. I was struggling. Oh shit, I almost screamed. I know, shit.
Scared her and she scared me.
Oh my god, we're going, bro. What the fuck? It's actually Steve. Oh my god. This is gonna be a bitch to come down on. Thanks. This shit is about to be a bitch. Yo mama bitch. Oh my god, guys. Am I breathing hella hard on the mic? I'm tired. They got me fucked up. Okay.
We're gonna get the full fit so y'all can see her full fit. I'll flip the camera.
Oh, don't show my pussy. Okay. Okay, I know. Okay.
That's a full fit. Head and toe, big ratchet. Ratchet holiday.
Ratchet holiday. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm scared. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh, and then it's gonna go down. Look, oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god.
Hey, you can come out there, I'm taking it all later.
Hey.
He said, hey.
Look, now we're going down. Yeah, since Nick don't want to fucking do it, what a bitch. Oh my god, this is like Subway Surfer.
Subway Surfer.
You know how to surf? Oh my god, you gotta be fucking kidding me. This is better than walking though, I ain't gonna lie. For sure. Bro, okay, well we gotta do it now. Yes, for sure. You were gonna fall without fucking heels on. I did not fall.
There you go. Look at her. Big ratchet probably. Out here cutting up.
Cutting up. Oh, they couldn't hear you. Oh shit, my bad. Alright guys, we just wanted to say hi before we go inside, and if we can't stream inside, then it's fine. I don't really care.
I feel like if you don't even if we had like limited rods.
That's why I didn't want to bring it. Oh, they heard you.
Oh, they did?
Cause you talk so loud.
Turn that radio. Introducing first. From the streets of Las Vegas, Wayne.
Hey! Damn! Who, me? You think I'm 103 pounds? Shit, you think I'm skinny?
What? No?
You think I'm like, bro, 160, bro.
Wayne, a whopping 304 pounds. Is that what you're over there?
Yeah, dude, heavyweight, big bitch up here. Oh, sorry.
Heavyweight, big bitch, and that was a real heavyweight, big bitch.
Don't be rude. That's about to be me after. Right here. Yeah. On God. Damn, he don't believe me? Right here on the left. Don't act like I don't know.
You know.
I do know. Thank you.
Oh, you look nice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Look.
Bro, because I can't see you.
You can't.
Vegas, bro, you acting like you know his fucking. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh, there you go. Okay, yeah. Okay, holiday. Nice to meet you. Yeah, first time I just Okay.
Oh shit, I forgot about that. Damn, you don't have to use like government name. You can just use his street name. I want to be like him.
That was the street name.
I want to be like him when I grow up.
Oh, you're just gonna get your pocket check, okay? Okay.
I ain't got shit in here. Wait, what is that actually?
What is that? That face he making. What the hell is in your?
No, just kidding. What is that actually?
Is that a vape? Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. No, it's not. It's a lip gloss.
You can't keep doing this to me.
It's a lip gloss, man. What the fuck?
Lip gloss it is.
What's in my purse? Glasses. I do have my glasses. That's it.
You master bitch.
And this bomb ass pussy. No, I'm just kidding. No, why?
We can't let that in.
Oh no.
Can't let that in.
Hey, I'm going home. I live here. It's alright.
Bomb ass pussy. You see that S right there?
Damn, they can't let me in. You let them what? Let them know what?
Bomb ass pussy.
Bomb ass pussy, not allowed. Sorry, we gotta go home. Thank you. Watch this shit go. Yeah, screen him. He's the one with the bomb ass pussy. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Damn, we got walk.
Watch your step.
Ganger is crazy. Oh, Lord.
Should I say gooner?
Gooner in the fucking chat. Wait, is it not Talia? Oh my god, fuck. The fuck? Auntie, what the fuck you doing? Where go? Oh, there's a fucking thing right there, bitch.
Damn, we ain't got a light for you. We need a ring light on that camera.
Oh, sorry. There. Yeah! Do it for the clip, yeah! Alright, get up. We can't cause too much attention.
What's up with you, brother? Hey, y'all know that shit right, man.
Hey, hello, Riley. Nice to meet you.
Oh, you make right?
Yeah! Oh, what's your name? What's your name? Kinda. Bro, you can't even.
What's up, Jack?
What's up, Jack?
Your mama don't suck dick.
Wait, wrong way.
Oh. If your mama don't suck dick, put a W in the chat. Yeah, if your mama don't suck dick, put a W in the chat. Yo, Miss Rachel, what's up?
What's your name?
Hey, how you doing?
What's your name?
Lerone.
Oh, I just found you.
You good. I'm Lerone.
Laurent! Laurent! Say Laurent! No,
Hey, this right here, it's a dream to last drink right the fuck here.
oh, bro!
You was wild and funny, this motherfucker might.
Hey, he's like, I'm funnier! Okay! Hey, him on! You We're just behind the scenes, you dig? Yeah, Vegas guy. It's my first time meeting him. I don't know. What's up? Yeah. I'm like, I swear I'm not an op. I'm just watching. I'm just observing.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah. Is it weird that I'm recording? I'm letting my friend do his thing. Oh my god, I'm like attached to him at the hip. Oh my god, is it weird? Is it weird? Is it fucking weird? I want to be following him around all day, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But we do want the light. We do want the light. Oh my god! Oh, now he ignored me. Source, that's you.
In the motherfucking building, man. Let's get this shit poppin'. Hey, I see all the ass in front of us.
So do it again. Yeah, put the light back on there. Oh my god. Imagine, bro.
Let's do.
Club since fucking Dre's. Like, that's a lie. Anyway, guys, it's so funny meeting people and they're like, "You're funny as fuck." I love that. That's what I live for. That's a high I can't get off of drugs. Dead ass. But guess what? I'ma still do drugs anyway. No, just kidding. No, that really is a high I can't get off of nothing else. Like when people are like, "Oh, like," when people know me for my fucking personality, bitch. That's what's really his. Oh my god, okay. Oh, Holiday Inn, fuck! I fucked this up. I'm freaking in the bathroom on this fucking song, bro. Guys, I hope my coochie wasn't out in any of those videos, okay? It's like leggings. It's like stockings. Guys, I like being a girl's girl. I like how like I'm very approachable, like to women, like because it's different to be only approachable to men, but also to women. I love that about me. Cause I'm not no jealous ass bitch. Dead ass. Jealousy, not around here, baby. You got him. You could have him. There ain't no jealousy on here. Jealous for you for what? Jealous for what? You know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna take our time that way. Oh, I should give. I wish this was Dre's. They would never play this shit. On point. Patrick, oh wait! What's up? Oh fuck! Oh my god, sorry. Sorry, mother. Bro, are you going on my fucking cruise? This could be part 1 of the fucking cruise, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's cute. That's cute, guys, or no? Get a leg. Okay. Damn, that's fire! Yeah, that's fire, low key. Like that shit, guys. Drunk nights in Vegas. Alright guys, let's go. We've been in the bathroom too long. Let's go socialize. I'm tired. This sucks, guys. Sucks to be you, bitch. Fuck it out of here, but okay. You can't complain about being full when your job was to eat or something. When you can't complain about your plate being full when your job was to. I don't fucking know. Ah, thank you. Oh.
off me, please crack it on me. So fine, just look at me like on me. Please crack it on me, please crack it on me. Oh, gang, gang, bitch, gang, gang. I'm the man, let me medicine the next thing. Real bitch, tell the gang, but she said her name. Real bitch, held me down before I had a name. All this money on my head, what is that?
Y'all crazy. Hey.
Put 100 bands on him, he put a rap on me. I've been from two different worlds, but it's a match for me. And it don't go only time she turn back on me. Get that ass on, let that coochie ride. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees, hands on your knees, hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Boy, you should know that I got you on my secret admirer. I've been watching.
Happy motherfucking birthday, Kai! Turn the fuck up! We lit, motherfucker. Let's go! It's half motherfucking lit as a rap. Happy birthday, boy! That boy got rich. Hey, this motherfucker got hair in the bum in this motherfucker. Turn the fuck up! What the fuck? That nigga got motion! That nigga got motion!
There you go. Let's not get it. Subs for Sean. Subs for Sean. My catch up is McRatchet Riley. McRatchet Riley, baby. McRatchet Riley on everything. Oh. I'm away for that shit to hit too.
If you love hip hop, say hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
If you love hip hop, say fuck yeah.
Got money on my mind. Should we go to a bar? Should we go to a bar? I wish someone bought me a drink tonight. I wish someone bought me a drink tonight. I wish someone bought me a drink
So when I figured out I made about 50K from a show, trying to show niggas the ropes before they home from a boat. I'm prophetic, they only talk about it, how I get it. Only good for saving face, see cosmetics. How many years I gotta take to level my aesthetics? Hurry up and get your muscle up, get the fly metrics.
Guys, the only social I'm not a hoe. So you look like guys, I need to learn how to dance. Oh, this whole shit I get into. With a dream in my cardigan. To the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame and success. Am I gonna fit in? Here I am. To my right, and I see the Hollywood. Don't need no man, guys.
Hallelujah. Peace. Hey, yeah, I like the fuck. I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches. That's my fucking problem. Hey, yeah, I like the fuck. I got a fucking problem. Hey, yeah, I like the fuck. I got a fucking problem. And find somebody real is a fucking problem. Make it we can solve it. Shut up, man.
Feel their light. Feel their light.
Feel the light.
Ah, the beer. Come. Do your thing. Do your thing.
Do your thing.
I don't need to do my thing.
Do your thing.
I don't need to do my thing. I'm already here.
Hey,
Don't move. Don't move.
stay in this area.
Okay. We ride or die. We ride or die. We ride or die.
Hey,
No.
but you get auto so they all wait for us though. Yeah, so like 30 more minutes.
You ready?
Go.
2, 3, happy!
Happy birthday!
Go best friend! It's your birthday! Go best friend!
Spicy season! Spicy season!
Happy birthday, classic!
Fucking me up. Like guys, it just sucks because like I pretend I'm a whore, but low-key I ain't really a whore. I be over here in the corner, you know. Like I just get drunk. I don't need to I hate shaking ass, I hate doing all that shit. I don't need to do that shit. I'm not gonna lie, he's kinda busy. Look. Doing something, I don't fucking know. Oh, my bad. Brand new, these lights will inspire you. I don't want to expose all because everyone's drunk. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be that bitch that exposes people. Like, I would hate if people exposed me when I was drunk type shit. Alright, where my friend at? Yeah! Well, kinda. It ended for a little bit because I messed up. With Ratchet Riley. I'm only streaming to my mom. With Ratchet Riley. Let's see if you MC Ratchet RATC. Yeah, that's me. McRatchet Riley. No, McRatchet. That's me. Wait. What's that? Oh, I know them. Our mutuals. No.
Oh, wait, you do got some mutuals.
Wait. Wait. Yeah. Where you live?
My name's Gator.
Jaden. What?
I said I'm from Miami, but I live here.
Miami. Yeah, that's me. Okay, well, my street page that's my personal page.
That's cool.
Hey. You know me personally. You personally. Hey. Wait, love in this club. He lying, bro. Let's not dox my friend. This is so awkward, guys. I don't like this. Bro, is their stream over, huh? Their stream is over, huh? They're real as fuck. I've only been 50 minutes. Huh? Well, only 50 I know. I didn't know I was gonna be able to stream it here. That's why I didn't want to bring all my equipment. Low-key. Cause I was like, oh, if they throw it away, I'd be bad. I'ma go home. If they throw it away, I'ma go home. fucking go. I'm okay. Don't tell him, because I want him to invite me out more. You know what I'm saying? Because I like being outside. I just don't like being outside. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
You know, when they touch them, like, I don't always keep the hammer next to them. Like, I ain't got a hammer to the left of me. Like, we ain't in these streets more than sesame.
Sesame.
But that shit chicken.
Nigga, why she texting me?
I should keep calling my phone.
Oh, take it sexually.
Every time I'm home, why she stressing with me?
You call her 70. I call her 70. I don't open doors for. Bro, I do have a light, but I do not want to do it because I thought we weren't allowed to stream in here. I also don't want to be that person with a light, low key. I don't want them to throw away, and I also don't want to be that person with a light. Oh. Like guys, contrary to popular belief, I don't like attention. Contrary to popular belief. No, you're not allowed to stream if like you have like real equipment in the club. Or at least at Dre's. I miss Dre's. But I'm like, oh, keep on going until they say no. But I just didn't want them to throw it away. Last time at Tao, they made me throw away my fucking dick sucking gut. Like, you know those mints that you eat before you suck dick? I tried it for fun. I did it as a mukbang and they made me throw it away. Like, I wasn't about to suck dick at the club, bro. Alright, Holiday, let's go. Out of your mind! Yeah, out of your mind! I'm just kidding. Listen, I can't wait to be rich. That way bad bitches will just come to me. I wish I was rich. That way bad bitches could just come to me for no fucking reason. No, oh my bad. Let's do it right around here. Lamborghini. Oh. Hey, Django! Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. Guys, I'm not. That's my type. Big ass.
Hey.
I don't even think this is like on because we connected to the
Take your fucking mic down. Talking about you don't think it's on.
You don't want to talk to me?
Chat.
Oh, it's for sure not a
Chat. Record your face again. Don't record me.
Huh?
Record your face.
I feel like it's a drinking, no?
I don't know. Try not to get hit. Flip the camera.
Okay.
You getting there?
Locked.
Oh, it's locked.
Locked in, you know what I'm saying?
Locked in. Locked in.
Oh my god. Look, it's because I don't know how to use the joint.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
Did I say flip it? Before you get hit by a damn car. Did I say flip it? You alright? You having problem? You having technical difficulties?
Yeah.
You know what's crazy? No, fuck that. You can flip the camera.
I can, bro. Fuck you, bitch.
You can't. Okay, well. We're here.
Ratchet Holiday. Ratchet Holiday. I hope. Wait. If it doesn't, because what if it doesn't?
It might. Oh, look. Okay. Fuck. Yeah, we got 2 cameras.
Ratchet Holiday. Oh, you have to say it.
Ratchet Holiday. It's a video, not a photo. Ratchet as fuck. I thought it was a fucking picture. She's taking a video.
Yeah, double footage.
Her other phone glitching.
Freaking the shit.
Her other phone glitching up.
Yeah, I know. But in there was streaming for a long time. Everyone was looking in there.
Yeah, you streamed for 2 hours, I think.
Yeah, and then it cut off and people still came on.
Shut the fuck did.
Shut the fuck up.
Hi.
Hey, how y'all doing?
She is too pretty to be out here in these streets putting this stuff up. We need you to stream with us. What the hell? We need you to stream with us. You be streaming? You do anything on social media? That's why. But the face you got, you should.
Yeah.
Cause I guarantee you got like a hidden talent. I bet you can dance or something. You too. But yeah, no. Chad, I was up in there sharking for real, and Riley saw that shit.
I wasn't exposing you though.
Okay, but Riley saw it. She was. Riley saw it. And the girls that I was sharking on, they was bad bitches. I ain't gonna lie.
They were.
And then I even had one motherfucker in there that I had smashed. They got mad. She got mad, and then she didn't expose me. But I know Riley saw it when she was sitting on the balcony, and she was like a middle finger. Oh, you saw it. You saw it
on the balcony.
She was on the balcony, but she was at the top of the. She was at the top of the section. And she was mad as fuck because I was on this other bad bitch named, oh my god.
Oh, don't name them, don't name them.
I didn't name them, but she was a
name, but
yeah, but it was a bad bitch. She put her titties in my face, chat, bruh.
I'm such a good friend.
She got my number and everything. She wanna come on stream tomorrow. I ain't really worried about it though, because we doing a pot of balloon tomorrow. So y'all make sure y'all pop out and show out, and let's go crazy. I was talking to Aaron the plumber. He might pull up. He might. He live out here.
Apparently.
He out here in Vegas now. But shout out to Vegas Kai, birthday party was fucking lit. Once we get some of these clips back, we was up in that motherfucking heavy too. We was in front of the camera. Boy, we was motherfucking lit. Shout out to Vegas Kai. Shout out to the streamers. Now look, see.
Don't glaze, don't glaze.
I'm not glazing, but look, now we Chad, look, now we going back to our car. Ah, he got a cone in this bitch. He probably got to move it so we can leave. Yeah. I think he charging for other people. No, he definitely is. So we're gonna make something shake. We're gonna make it work.
Like, it says we're on. We are on. What the hell? Not. Yeah. We try and get lucky, you know. I keep on fucking following him.
You see, go get lucky, Chad. Look at her.
Fuck no, bitch. I'm celibate, bitch. Yo, mama be. Oh, we're wrong, bro. Unless we got told. Four. Not lucky. There's a moth. There's a moth.
Don't change the subject.
Okay.
Look at her feet, Chad. What the fuck is going?
Bro, wait. He acted like you didn't know me before social media.
I did.
You did.
I did.
He stalked me.
She's lying.
I'm telling you the truth. Did you get fucking told? Ain't no fucking way.
No, we didn't.
Two.
But what's gonna happen is, the first stream clip I saw, I reached out. I didn't stalk. But I was like, man, we got another fucking streamer. I have other female streamers in my group.
Damn, so I'm not your first. That's fucked up.
Why would you? Really?
But I'm the one that's the most locked in, right? Oh, I found it now. Don't dox yourself. Don't dox yourself. Hello, stream. All right, guys. Bye. A ratchet holiday. Yeah. Part 2?
Part 2, motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Part 2.
Bye, chat. I love you guys. This is the first time I've ever said bye.